CBS's Errol Barnett has the story.
If I can't use a backseat, you're gonna get fired.
Dashcam video from Lyft driver Lee Yu captured the moment an irate passenger attacked him with a mic stand for refusing to allow his DJ equipment in the car's back seat. Finally breaking free, Lou calls 911.
Someone attacked me. I think I will die.
Lou was left bloody with this gash in his forehead. The passenger was later arrested on multiple charges. Lyft called the act appalling and said it is offering support to Lou and has permanently removed the passenger from its platform.
I think 6 or 7 stitches. It happened to me. I think for every driver must be aware.
It is unclear how common these conflicts are, but this rideshare driver was attacked for insisting masks be worn, and another was robbed at gunpoint. Cameras he installed helped police solve the case.
A $100 GoPro is a great idea, pointed right towards the car. This helped us very much.
Now, Uber says one way it deters such behavior is by making it clear to passengers you're being recorded. It will release another one of its safety reports later this year. Meanwhile, Lyft, after sending us that statement, did not respond to our repeated questions about how many attacks, Tony, it's seen on its drivers.
Certainly hope those cameras work. Errol, thank you very much.